Welcome all. In this video, we have to talk next concept of software testing and quality assurance, that is core component. In last two video, we are discussed about introduction, historical perspective of quality and definition of quality. Core components of quality. In core components of quality, we have to basically talk about two important cycle of improvements. Now, core components of quality. It is difficult for the manufacturer to achieve the quality of a product without knowing what customer is looking for while purchasing it. If product quality is defined in some measurable terms, it can help the manufacturer in deciding whether the product quality has been achieved or not during its manufacturing and delivery. So in order to meet some criteria of improvement and ability to satisfy a customer, one must follow a cycles of improvement. So first cycle is nothing but DMMCI, that is define, measure, monitor, control and improve. It is called as the cycle of improvement through measurement. So first stage of DMMCI cycle is define. There must be some definition of what is required in the product in terms of attributes or characteristics of a product and in how much quantity it is required to derive customer satisfaction. Features, functionalities and attribute of the product must be measured in quantitative terms and it must be part of requirement specification, and the supplier as well as customer must know what must be, what should be and what could be present in the product, and also what must not be, what should not be and what could not be present in the product. So define stage basically focus on what is required in the products. Next stage of cycle of improvement is measure. The quantitative measures must be defined as an attribute of quality of a product. Presence or absence of these attributes in required quantity acts as an indicator of a product quality achievement. Measurement also gives a gap between what is expected by customer and what is delivered to him when the product is sold. And this may cause customer dissatisfaction or rejection by the customer if any gap or any lack of quality in the products. So measure basically focus on quantitative measures of attributes. Next stage of cycle of improvement is monitor. Ability of the product to satisfy customer expectation defines the quality of a product. There must be some mechanism available with the manufacturer to monitor the process used in development, testing and delivering a product to a customer and their outcome, that is attribute of a product produce using this process to ensure that the customer satisfaction is incorporated in the deliverables given to the customer. So monitor stage of the cycle of improvement focus on ability of the products. Next stage of cycle of improvement is control. Control gives the ability to provide desired results and avoid the undesired things going to a customer. Controlling functions in the organization, popularly called as quality control, are verification and validation. Maybe given a responsibility to control product quality at micro level, while the final responsibility of overall organizational control is entrusted with the management, popularly called as quality assurance. So management must put some mechanism in place for reviewing and controlling the progress of product development and testing. So control stage of cycle of improvement give focus on to provide desired results. Next cycle of improvement stage is improve. Continuous or continual improvements are necessary to maintain ongoing customer satisfaction and overcome the possible competition, customer complaints, etc. If some producer enjoys very high customer satisfaction and huge demand for his product, competitors will try to enter the market and they will try to improve their products further to beat the competition. So improvement may be either of two different approaches: continuous improvement and continual improvement. So this is the cycle of improvement, DMMCI. So this is the core components of quality. So here we stop. Thank you very much.